My name is Rasheed. I'm the co-founder and chief operations officer at Trakka. And the decision to build Trakka was a resultant effect of a problem myself and my co-founder faced. Hence, multiple persons were also facing the same problem. And that problem was the inability to effectively track and monitor expenses across multiple bank accounts. And that was one of the major reasons why we decided to build Trakka.
Hi, my name is Oluwatimilehin Ogunme. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Trakka. Trakka is a revolutionary personal finance application that's trying to give users the ability to manage and grow their money across its multiple sources. And Trakka uses Mono in order to help users sync across their multiple financial accounts and even fintech wallets as well. With Mono, we're able to aggregate information of our users such as balance, transactions, income statements, and many more. Mono also provides us with the ability to make direct debits from these users' bank accounts, thereby making our platform the only banking application that our users need. The early days of building the product, when we were trying to build the MVP, we tried out a bunch of options, and I mean a bunch of options. Just trying to plug and play with any open banking API out there, and it took a lot of trial and error. One day, I think I was reading an article about Mono's pre-seed, and then I heard they also did open banking. We tried it out, and one of the first things we noted was that we didn't need to pay to have access to the APIs to begin with. As somebody who was tech savvy, I just wanted to throw my hand at some code. I wasn't really thinking about building a product. And what Mono enabled me to do back then was to be able to put together a scrappy MVP and be able to actually validate the product. And this also helped in fact that I didn't have to pay a single dime to test out the APIs and figure out if they could do what I needed to do. Over time, we realized that the APIs were robust enough to handle the need of our product as at the point we wanted to go to market.
One thing that stands out about Mono is the innovation and secondly, the customer support.
So considering the fact that open banking is relatively new turf, we needed all the help we could get, right? And in building the API, especially being one of the first set of products out there that are leveraging on open banking and open finance as a niche in its own, we really needed to have that level of support, especially in fixing breaking changes, in rolling out updates and the likes. I remember when Mono launched data sync, right? It was one of those things that kind of told us that Trakka can be more than just a fun project and can actually be a product, because what data sync did was that it enabled us to give our users real-time updates of their spending and their balances and whatnot. So giving our users the ability to actually automatically update those balances and transaction records on the fly was a game changer, because it meant our value proposition to our users was not just, oh, we're helping you track your existing balance, is we can help you track your existing balance and your future balances. Using Mono has benefited first of our users, mainly because of the large variety of financial accounts they provide on their platform. So that's one of the things that really stands out, is the fact that you have upwards of 15 to 20 different financial accounts that can be connected. So this has really helped our users, because the more the merrier, basically in this case. I would say the integration process with Mono was smooth sailing in the beginning, especially when we were dealing mainly with their web APIs. As at the point that we started working on our mobile application, trying to work hand in hand with the team to use and implement the mobile SDK. We did run into a few hurdles here and there, but then this is where I go back to what I said about the customer support team. As we ran into issues, there was always somebody there to help us fix them and make sure that updates were pushed out live on the app or even in the code base that could make sure that these features went out as seamlessly as possible. Along the line, we started working with other products that Mono offered, such as income, transactions, and direct pay. And I would say that for the most part, especially when these products were in beta, even there were some hitches here and there, the guarantee that these products were going to become more stable in the future was something we never lacked. And then eventually, when they rolled out completely, we were able to seamlessly integrate it with our existing products and then even offer our customers more value than we were already offering them. And even with the current features that are underway, we're sure that we're going to experience the same thing. As they come out, we roll them to our users and then increase the value that we provide them as Mono increases the value that they provide us.